Hi, my name is Hala, and I'm struggling just like you. I tried to create a YouTube channel, and I failed. But this time, I've decided to start again, Hani. Slowly, honestly, and with your support. I always wanted to start YouTube, but every time I tried, I felt like I wasn't ready. But here I am, taking the first step with you. Before I teach you anything, you should know one thing. I didn't start my YouTube journey with confidence. I started with fear and failure. But something happened that pulled me back. Editing videos was a nightmare at first. I spent hours trying to make one 1-minute video, and still messed up. Everyone thinks editing is difficult, but the truth is, nobody tells you the easy way. Why do we struggle when the solutions are right in front of us? The first software that changed everything for me was CapCut. It's free, simple, and honestly the best place to start. The timeline is clean, the tools are easy, and features like auto caption, templates, and trend transitions. The second beginner-friendly software is VN Editor. It feels simple, but gives a professional finish. I love VN because the interface is clean. No extra buttons, no confusion. You can cut clips, add text, use transitions.
Nextif InShot, one of the easiest editors ever created. If you just want quick edits like trimming, music, transitions, and text,
InShot is a lifesaver, especially for mobile users. It's perfect for people who want fast results without learning complicated tools.
KineMaster is very popular among beginners. It has layers, transitions, slow motion, effects, and a powerful timeline. It's good for people who want to make slightly advanced videos but still want an easy interface.
Another easy tool is Clipchamp, especially for laptop users. It's clean, fast, and perfect for beginners. Clipchamp has templates, stock footage, simple editing tools, and a smooth export process. It works inside your browser, so you don't even need to install anything. Then comes Canva. A lot of people think Canva is only for graphics, but the video editor is amazing for beginners. You get templates, animations, stock videos, sound effects, and clean transitions. If you don't like editing from scratch, Canva is your best friend. If you want something simple but powerful, Filmora is a great choice. It gives you drag and drop editing, nice filters, and export in high quality. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even longer videos. Preset transitions, titles, motion effects, and sound cleaning tools. It's not as complicated as Adobe Premiere, but still gives a professional look. These softwares are perfect for beginners because they don't confuse you. They guide you step by step, give you templates, and help you learn the basics without pressure. When you're in a struggle phase, you don't need complicated tools. You just need tools that support you. So if you're just starting your editing journey, try any of these easy softwares. Your first videos don't need to be perfect, they just need to be real. So I started my editing journey right here with CapCut. It's a little confusing sometimes, but I am determined to figure it out.
We'll cover the first step, then the second, and the third. By the end of this, you'll be editing like a pro in CapCut.
First, open CapCut and tap Import. Choose your videos and photos to start editing easily. Select the clip and use the split tool to cut unwanted parts. Quick edits make your video smooth. Tap Text to add titles or captions. Customize fonts, colors, and position for style. Go to transitions between clips to make your video flow naturally. Swipe and select the one you like. Tap Audio and choose tracks from the library or upload your own. Background music makes videos fun. Use the speed tool to slow down or speed up your clips for dramatic or funny effects.
Open Effects to add cool filters or motion effects. Just tap and see it live on your clip.
Tap Stickers to add emojis or fun animations. Perfect for cute or funny touches.
Drag videos, images, and text in layers. It helps organize elements for complex edits. When done, tap Export, choose Resolution, and save your video. Now you're ready to upload. Finally got it! CapCut makes editing easy.
Every editor learns slowly, every creator grows with time, and if I can learn, trust me, you can too. That was my first struggle, and maybe something in it can help you in your own struggling phase. And hey, before you scroll, if this helped you even a little, hit like and subscribe. Your one click pushes my entire journey forward. Now let's step together into struggle number 2.